A warm welcome to all subscribers and visitors of this channel. I want to begin by saying that I completely understand the frustrating situation you are currently facing. Your Samsung smartphone is now locked on the Google account verification screen. This is the so-called FRP lock, and you are looking for any possible way to bypass it, preferably without connecting the phone to a computer. I have some encouraging news for you. Not long ago, I found myself in exactly the same situation. I had to roll up my sleeves, so to speak, and go through a series of step-by-step actions to solve this technical puzzle. I spent some time experimenting, but eventually I found a working method and successfully bypassed the lock on my Samsung device. Today, I'm going to share this tested method with you. If you run into any questions or difficulties during the process, please leave a comment. I'll do my best to respond quickly and help you out. FRP strictly prevents any applications installed outside the official Google Play Store from requesting and receiving the system permissions necessary for proper operation. This new restriction directly blocks almost all previously known manual FRP bypass methods. Now let me explain in detail how I managed to solve this issue. To achieve my goal, I used a completely free Chinese artificial intelligence called DeepSeek. Many of you may naturally wonder, why DeepSeek instead of something like ChatGPT? The answer is very simple. Other popular AI systems, including ChatGPT, are specifically instructed by their developers not to provide users with information about FRP bypass methods. They simply refuse to answer such requests, referring to security policies. DeepSeek, however, does not have these limitations. I formulated my request like this: how can I bypass FRP on my phone? And then I specified the exact model of my Samsung device. The AI almost instantly offered me several alternative solutions to the problem. I carefully reviewed all the suggested options and chose the one that seemed most suitable for an ordinary user, without requiring special software tools or complicated procedures. After that, I asked DeepSeek, please provide me with a step-by-step guide for this specific method. The AI generated a detailed action plan divided into sequential steps with clear instructions. From that point on, the entire process came down to simply following those instructions methodically. There was nothing overly complicated or impossible for someone without technical education. Thank you very much for your attention, and I am always open to